In this lesson, we want to explain the filter effect. To do this, click Effects. Here is a list of all effects that we can use. We have two general modes for these effects. The effects here are for when the photo was captured or imported into the software and then applied, and you can be changed at any time. But the same effects are exactly in the main software in the effects section. The only difference is when they are applied. These effects must be set before and applied during capture. But you can still change them. To get started, let's start with the main effects here. Select the photo that has already been imported or captured. It's not different. And click on the filter effect to run it. In settings, you can set color filter. The soften mode is for soften color relative to each other. As you can see here, with this slider, you can control its amount, as you can see. The sharpen mode is for sharpen colors and better define a color relative to each other, as you can see. With the slider, can you control its amount? Then opacity mode is to blur photo. As you can see, the canvas color are displayed. You can change it by right click canvas color, and I select the checkered. Monochrome to monochrome black or white color in photos. As you can see, you can change them with the slider. Grayscale mode is to make photos gray like this. Invert color mode to invert color codes. Any color in the photo is defined and its contrasting color is used. Okay. If you want to apply this effect, click apply. And if you want to use this effect many times, add it to quick effects. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.